This is the road that leads to a district in Cabog Village in Bacolod City. It's narrow and bumpy, making it inaccessible to most vehicles. What made the situation worse was that around 200 households in the district of Ilaya did not have enough access to electricity and water. The local electric cooperative could not erect electricity poles in a private property in the area as it required the consent of the owner. This was a huge blow for Ilaya considering that backyard farming is common among housewives. They even formed the Association of Small Farmers of Purok Ilaya or ASFAPI, which is benefiting from the Agriculture Department's greenhouse project for the community. To sustain its operation, power is needed. But just last year, things started to change for the better. A 1.6 kilowatt solar photovoltaic system was installed in the community, donated by the Research Institution Center for Energy, Ecology and Development or SEED. For members of ASFAPI, it's a welcome development.
Dako kaayo sir eh.
Kay tungod.
Kay tungod amon na siyang amon nga source ang amon nga kuryente sa amon nga livelihood kag sa mga member nga wala sang
Trabaho.
suga.
Wala suga.
O wala suga, makabenepisyo sila sa ilang power energy.
The garden has also become a charging station for members of the organization. ASFAPI board member Merlinda Demetrial visits the site every day, not just to watch over the vegetables, but also to charge her bulb.
Ang gamiton sa gabi, pagkaaga naman, dire naman, ikwan, hasta maghapon.
You only what every day?
Ito,
Charge lang.
charge
Wabila.
lang kami.
Para may suga lang.
May suga lang.
Purok Ilaya is an example of how a community can take control of their access to electricity while promoting clean, renewable energy. Grederick Alila, Visayas team lead of SEED, highlights the impact of their project, which is seen to boost the livelihood of Purok Ilaya residents.
Ang intended lang gito muna, no? At least increase lang ila access, no? Access sa tinlo ang kuryente. Pero we were surprised, no? Nga do nag-go beyond sa intended purpose ng project. No? Una, suging connect nila sa ilang greenhouse, no? Para makaproduce sila sang sang butan, no?
However, water supply remains scarce in the area. Residents have to buy water for 4 pesos per container. The construction of a water system is almost done, but it needs power for the water from underground to reach the storage area. Residents are hoping that the government can help them get more solar panels to run the water system. For residents of Purok Ilaya, renewable energy is their only hope to have access to their basic needs. In response, Bacolod City Mayor Albi Benitez asked the Energy Department to allow the local electric cooperative to directly purchase bulk power from renewable sources of energy in the province. The island of Negros is producing abundant renewable energy from solar, geothermal, and biomass. Just recently, the DOE gave the mayor a verbal approval.
Mayara na breakthrough. I think I have a few ways. I have a few suggestions. I have formally written the Department of Energy. Kabalogin ni ang Seneco kung ano ang akong itong gin-propose sa ila. Verbally, nagsiling sila okay. Gaulat na lang kung sang official approval or statement halin sa Department of Energy para ma-institute na ang mga power savings measure para mapanubo naton ang kuryente diri sa aton.
At present, power costs 16 pesos and 2 centavos per kilowatt hour. But if DOE allows the local cooperatives to buy bulk power from renewable energy sources at a lower cost, it may further ease prices for consumers by 3 pesos per kilowatt hour. Negrenses hope that they will be able to enjoy the benefits of abundant, clean energy in their province soon.